Finding the courage to change. Let it be easy. Once I was training in Aikido at a special seminar with a very high level instructor. After a while of watching us struggle with copying his technique, he became amused. Why do you make Aikido so hard? It's easy. Let it be easy. Then he showed us again. My friends and I looked at each other and shook our heads. What was he talking about? We couldn't even really see how he did the skill. It looked like magic, but he believed it was easy. As the class continued, I wondered if my belief that it was hard was standing in my way. I made up my mind to believe as he believed, that it was easy to do. I began to tell myself, I can do this, it's easy for me. I noticed an immediate physical impact. I can do this, it's easy for me, would cause my whole body to relax. Tension would just drain out of me. I would be able to see more details and see more clearly. I would remember what I had just seen longer and with greater understanding. Once I began focusing on let it be easy, everything became much easier. I began having more fun. I began understanding the skills at a deeper level. In a few months, my friends began telling me, Aikido is so easy for you. They would laugh at my technique. They thought that they had to believe it was easy first. But a belief is just a thought that I continue to think. I knew that if I kept repeating it, that I would come to believe it. And so it was. Whatever it is, let it be easy.